Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a redstone clock. Okay, first you're going to need redstone, a redstone torch, cobblestone, and yeah, that's it. Okay, first you put cobblestone, a redstone right there, the redstone torch, then you go like that. You put two, then a cobblestone, you put a redstone torch, and it needs to be turned off. If it's turned on, you did it wrong. So you should keep doing the same thing over and over again until you want it to stop. Then you turn it around. So you place redstone right there, redstone, redstone, cobblestone, like that. So then you place redstone, redstone, cobblestone, torch, redstone, redstone, cobblestone, torch, redstone, redstone, cobblestone, torch, redstone, redstone, no, it needs to be redstone, cobblestone, torch, redstone, redstone, cobblestone, torch. The last one needs to be turned on. Then you can, then you connect it. There's something wrong, I knew it. So, wait. It's like that redstone. One redstone, then one redstone, then one redstone. Yeah. And then you connect it. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, I did everything right. What's wrong? Oh, that's what's wrong. Needs to this ground just needs to be on. Cobblestone torch, redstone, cobblestone torch. Then go like that, Is this on? So connect like that. No. Yeah, there we go. So now get whatever you want. Like I would choose a piston, and a door. So you just place it right next to it. No, place it right next to a cobblestone. It works. And you place it right there. Yep. You can also do that with dispensers and the blocks. I think. Like arrows. Yep. And no block. Oops, no. So yeah, that's how to make an annoying sound or a redstone clock. And hope you enjoyed. Please like. Wait. Let me stop this. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, favorite, and thanks for watching.